Hi, this is Anand from designtheway.com. In this short video tutorial, you will learn how to turn any section of a page into a template and then quickly reuse it anywhere within your site using the Elementor page builder. This will really help you speed up your development process. Let's see how you can do this. I have set up the WordPress in my local host and currently using the free version of Astra theme. You can use any theme you like, and in the plugin section I have Classic Editor and Elementor. Let's go to the front end. This is the default look of Astra, showing some blog posts. I have set up a couple of blank pages, about and services. Let's go to the about page. It's a blank page. Let's add some content to it. Go to edit page. Now edit with Elementor. To speed up the process, I will use one of the free templates from the Elementor. To do that, click on the folder icon and now let's find a suitable template. I think this one looks good. Let's preview it. Let's insert it. Let's see this in full view. Looks nice. Let's update the page. Let's preview it. Perfect. I can go and change the content here, but that's not the whole point of this video. To keep it short, I'll skip this one. Now say I want to copy this customer review section and want to use it in my service page. To do that, I can go and copy the entire setting one by one, or I can save this entire section as a template. That's the beauty of Elementor. It gives you an option to save any section as a template or the entire page as a template, so you can reuse it anywhere you like it. So let's convert this section to a template. Back to our editor. Right click on this dotted icon and click Save as Template. Give a name to your template. I'll name it Testimonial Section and click Save. It's saved in the My Template section. Now close this window. To reuse it, let's go to the service page and click Edit Page. Repeat the process again. Edit with Elementor. Now click on this folder icon again, and this time go to My Templates. This is our template. Click on Insert. It will ask, do you want to import the document settings? I will click Yes, and with that we have our customer's review section imported. In a similar way, you can save as many sections as you want as a template, or even save the entire page as a template. To do that, click on this arrow and save the entire page as a template. I'm not going to do that because I'm already using a template. Now, if you want to use your template in another website, you can simply export your template and reuse it. To do that, go to the dashboard and then Elementor and My Templates. Here you will find all your custom saved templates. To export that, go to the template and click on Export Template and just save the file. To reuse a template, click on Import Template and simply browse and import your file. As you can see, this feature of Elementor really helps you speed up your development process and create an optimized workflow. This is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get the latest video. If you have any questions, please feel free to post it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.